MacroSoft Inventory Manager allows you to make MIM transparent. A fundamental mechanism that makes MIM transparent. It allows you to make MacroSoft Inventory Manager transparent, showing the view behind the MacroSoft Inventory Manager. To make MIM transparent, you have to follow some steps. Click on MacroSoft Inventory Manager icon. Logging in with your account. Successfully log in. Welcome to MacroSoft Lab. MacroSoft Inventory Manager is activating. In company information, go to the search bar, and type equal, and then type the percentage as you want, and then give a semicolon. After that, MacroSoft Inventory Manager will become transparent. It will work perfectly even if it is transparent. Successfully deposit. MIM won't allow you to set the transparency level lower than 30%. You can set the transparency level between 30 to 100. If you increase the percentage, the transparency will decrease. If you decrease the percentage, the transparency will increase. If you want to turn off transparency, just set the transparency level 100. MIM also has some inbuilt features. If you move the mouse pointer away from the profit and loss report window, the window will automatically become transparent. If the mouse pointer returns, the window will automatically appear. Same things with the notifications, bank, loan, and collection report. This feature is also available when you see the detailed view in the balance sheet. It helps to compare or check the calculations. This works even if you have multiple windows open.